For safe and effective use, follow these easy steps. First, place fresh water inside the water tank. The tank holds up to 3 liters. Included is a 1 liter bottle for easy measuring. Next, plug the machine into a standard 120 volt AC outlet. Then, on the rear of the unit, turn on the main power switch. It has a lightning bolt symbol on it. Next, turn on the front power switch with a lightning bolt on it. You will then hear the pump turn on and fill the boiler. Wait for the pump to turn off. To maximize runtime, you can now add more water to fill the water tank. Now attach the steam hose to the front of the machine. Depress both steam switches. Then depress the trigger to release any residual pressure from the boiler. Now flip the heater switch in the front. Once the green light is on, this normally takes around 6 to 8 minutes. Your KleenJet Pro Plus 300 CS is ready to use. This light indicates that max pressure has been reached when first starting the unit. It will turn off during operation. Attach the needed accessory and go to work. To shut down your unit, first turn off the heater switch. Next, depress the trigger to release any steam and to depressurize the boiler. Once cool, carefully disconnect any accessories and the steam hose. And finally, return the machine to your storage location. We hope you enjoy your KleenJet Pro Plus 300 CS for many years to come. For other products or more information, please visit us online at dimer.com.